So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and let's find out what has happened in the market today and what are the expectations from the last trading session for the week. So as I have mentioned yesterday, that if market opens gap up, then we will be having some bullish expectations, and if market happens to open gap down, then we will be having bearish expectations. And as you can see, market has opened gap up and we have seen some bull movement in the market. So I hope whoever has listened properly was able to book good amount of profits. As you can see, the market has opened gap up and then went above to close above its opening price, making a green bullish candle. So very clearly mentioned, I have mentioned it very clearly, and I have told you that that this kind of indecision candles always create some sort of momentum. Though the momentum was not so great, but yeah, still there was a momentum. Secondly, today was expiry also, the first expiry for the derivative series of the month. That's why also we have seen some good momentum, and the momentum was positive in the market. Let me show you this on the hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart. Here is the opening, and then we can see market has gone up. So the second reason I have given for what I have said, that why I was in the favor that if market happens to open gap up, then it will go up, was this reason, that this is a full bullish candle, and after that the last 15-minute candle which was made by the market yesterday was a green candle and was lying above the previous candle. So that was the second reason, and we have seen a good movement in the market today. So I hope you guys were able to book some good profits. So now, as to what is the expectations for tomorrow, let me show you this on the hourly chart. So the thing is that the market has opened gap up. Still the bears were able to pull the market back to the this consolidated range, and the not so big wick tells us that bulls were not in total control. They were not able to push prices above much above this candle. So this is also a reason why I feel that the bulls were not in total control. Yeah, definitely they were in the control, but not in the total control. Bears had their say in today's market. So I am expecting that most likely movement will be a downward movement. We will be seeing a candle or somewhere here, and today's my confidence level is 75 to 25. 75% I am positive that market will give a downside movement, and 25% the market may give an upside movement. Though we will be ignoring any upside movement, the major thing to track tomorrow is a downside movement. So if market starts falling, if market opens gap down, believe me, and then you can easily short the market. So these are my expectations from the Nifty 50 for tomorrow. Now moving to the Bank Nifty. So now this is Bank Nifty's daily candle, and you can see another candle of indecision being made by the Bank Nifty. You can see here this candle, another indecision candle made by the Bank Nifty, and that this candle is also resting its downside wick at the support level only. This means a momentum, but as you can see, this candle is a bearish candle, a red candle. That's why I'm expecting a movement, downside movement, most likely in the Bank Nifty. I'm more confident for a downside movement in the Bank Nifty. My confidence level for the Bank Nifty's downside movement is 85%, and that's also suggests that these highly correlated indices will move in the same direction, and Bank Nifty gives us more clear indications about a downside movement. That's why I'm expecting a downside movement in the Nifty also. So that's the second reason for the Nifty's downside movement. And let me show you this on the hourly chart. So as we see on the hourly chart, here we can see on the hourly chart. So this is the performance by the Bank Nifty for today. So here is the day started, didn't open the gap up or gap down, just opened morally flat and then went down, and a little bit of recovery in the last sessions. So not so much of recovery, but yeah, the daily candle of the Bank Nifty suggests us that there will be a movement in the market tomorrow also, and most likely that movement will be bearish. So I hope you understood what I meant to say. For the day trader, it's very clear, and for the positional trader, I have very clear point of view that market will be moving to its support. The bank nifty is facing a little bit of problem because of this weekly support here. That's the reason. Let me show you this on the weekly chart also. How's the weekly candles looking in the bank nifty? Here you can see. So the wick went below the bank weekly chart on the bank nifty, but we have not seen a single day where body, you can see none of the part of the body of the candle is below the support zone. So by that you can identify what a great support is this on the weekly level. This is a great support, and that's the reason why both nifty and bank nifty are feeling hurdles, a little bit of hurdles, as they move in a very similar manner. So that's the reason for both of the indices why we are not seeing a great downside movement. But what I am expecting is that tomorrow will be a day for a downside movement. So I hope you understood it completely about the bank nifty and nifty 50 both. So the stock that I have given you for the trading yesterday, first was Sun Pharma. Here is the Sun Pharmaceuticals, and as you can see that I have told you to be long, but there was no reason to go long after opening, because we have seen a gap up opening of almost about 7 points. So after a 7 points opening means opening almost more than 1%, we should ignore trading into such kind of charts, such kind of stocks. So I hope you have not traded in it, and if you have traded in it, then you might have booked the loss. And the second stock was UPL. So in UPL I have told you that what to do will depend upon the opening of the chart, and here was the last candle, and we have seen a red opening. So I have told you to be short, and then UPL went down almost 1.2%. so I hope you booked a good profit in this stock. So yeah, one went wrong. If anybody who is a smarter one must not have traded in the Sun Pharma, seeing it opening gap up, and one who has traded in the UPL as it has given more clear indications that that person might have booked good amount of profit. So as you can see, in the UPL has ended it day with another indecision candle. So yeah, tomorrow also take the trade based upon the opening. If opens gap up, then be long, and if opens gap down or stays below these candles body, then you can be long or short accordingly. So now let me give you another two stocks for tomorrow's trading. First is going to be Wipro. So yeah, Wipro has shown us a great day, great positive day, long big green candle with good volume also. So if market opens gap up for the Wipro from say more than 1%, then don't trade in it. If it opens less than 1%, then you can take a trade in Wipro and can go long in the Wipro. So these are my expectations. And the second is Hindalco. And Hindalco also we have seen a good positive day. Volume also definitely, as you can see today, all the day volume was good for the Hindalco. So my suggestion is to stay long, because as you can see, this is an indecision candle, and after that we have seen a green bullish candle. So I'm more confident about Hindalco than Wipro. So you can go long in the Hindalco also. But if you see again that the market is open 1% or 2% gap up, then there is no reason to trade in that stock for the day. So I hope everything is clear in your head about UPL, about Hindalco, about Wipro, about Nifty, and about Bank Nifty. My expectations are bearish for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, which is going to be the last day for the week's trading. So I hope you understood it well. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do press the like button, share the video with your friends and family and whoever trades in the market, and please do subscribe to our channel, show some support, and please press the bell icon to receive the notification for all the videos that we are uploading. So thank you so much for watching, everyone.